Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kaying Bishar Supreme Court hak apply trik naitung aja apan riu kala Pyndam no ya ka Jamin bal ai sya ka Sonam Raghuvanshi kapala sya no pakadi bedang keti ben penyap yau kurim lejong uraja Raghuvanshi hak apor bikiwan kai honeymoon sya Meghalaya house nam aja apusan ka bench ka pentup you justice Sundresh bat UPV warale kila ailat ya jingkarpa jong sarkar Meghalaya ka batenju ya ka hukum ai Jamin bat hukum ru ya ka Sonam bakan net Pyndam no yala di hakamat ki pulit hapo lai Taïew. Kandi yang Bishar bakli do jong kari. Kalau ong palada omla ban pelong ya ka jing Bishar. Bat ban penkut no hapo on riu Taïew ka Sonam kala ban pan da ka Jamin ka bathamai.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEM's bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEM's app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our right, our future.